Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Warm Stories with Santa. Remember last time I tell you I was going to give you another nice, wonderful story? Guess what? I have another one. Really, really, really nice. Hits your heart. It's called Ego the Elves. Are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. Once upon a time, in the snowy North Pole, there was a little elf named Diego, but everyone else called him Ego. And was a very smart elf, maybe even the smartest of them all. But he had little small problems. He didn't pay too much attention in school. Even though he struggled in classes, Ego had a big heart and a big dream. He wanted to work in Santa's workshop more than anything else. After school, Ego would sneak into the workshop, hoping to learn from the rest of the elves. But time after time, he was turned away. You have to finish school first, Ego, the elves will tell him. Everyone here has to learn the right way before making toys. One day, Ego sat outside the workshop with tears in his eyes and feeling sad and alone. Just then, Santa Claus spotted him and came over. What's the matter, Ego? Santa asked him with a warm smile. Ego sniffed and said, "They won't let me work in the workshop, Santa. I wanted to learn and help." Santa nodded kindly. Ego, it's because they care about you. You see, every elf here had to finish school first, learning how to measure, how to build, how to create magic with their hands and their heart. If you truly want to help and believe in yourself, you must listen to your parents, your teachers, and respect them. And work hard and finish school first. Okay, Santa. So Ego thought about Santa's words all night. Next day, he made a big decision. He told his parents about what Santa had said, and they were very happy for him. So when he went back to school the next day, Ego started paying attention in class, believing in himself, studying hard every night, and listening to his parents and teachers. Even helped his classmates. And guess what? That year, Ego finished first in his class. They gave him a big award. And guess what he did? He ran to the workshop and was looking for Santa. He found him. Santa, Santa, Santa. Ego, how you doing? How's school? Guess what? Look at my certificate. Oh, I'm so proud of you. So, how many more years? One more year, Santa. Ego, that's not how you say it. It's some kind of sad. Okay, Santa, one more year. Exactly. That's how you do it with that attitude. So he finished the whole year again. And guess what happened? Ego graduated with honors. Yippee! When he showed Santa his report card, Santa gave him a big hug and said, "Now you're ready, Ego." Ego started working in the workshop right away. Just 1 week before Christmas, Santa needed extra help to organize the toy shop for better protection because they were behind. So Ego stepped up. "I can do it, Santa," he said confidently. Thanks to Ego's smart ideas and hard work, by midnight on Christmas Eve, every toy was finished and loaded in Santa's sleigh, just in time for delivery. As Santa whistled and shouted, he called his reindeer by name. "Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer and Vixen, O Comet and Cupid, O Donner and Blitzen." And they charged forward and climbed into the dark polar sky. When Santa returned on Christmas Day, he was so proud of Ego that he gathered all the elves and made a big announcement. Because of his hard work, determination, and kind heart, Ego is now in charge of helping and manage the workshop. All the elves cheer, "Yeah, go Ego!" This all happens because Ego finished school, listened to his parents and teachers, and he led by example in school and the shop by helping anyone that needed help. Ego never gave up on his dream, but always believing. From that day forward, Ego's name was known all over the North Pole, just for being smart, for not giving up, having a big heart, and wise enough to learn. always believing in him and helping save Christmas. The end. What a wonderful story, my friends. You know what? Always remember, dear friends, study, listen, learn, and never stop believing. School is where dreams begin. Studying hard, listen carefully to your teachers, and following your parents' advice will help you become exactly who you dream to be, just like our dear ego. You too can achieve wonderful things when you believe in yourself. The magic is learning and finishing what you started. What a wonderful, okay? Remember, stay in school, finish what you started, always believe that you can do it and you can be anyone you can be, just like the ego. So, my friends, until next time, please don't forget to thumbs up, ring the little bell, and subscribe. Until next time, my friend, it's going to be another one, good one, okay? Bye.